Module 2, Lesson 10, Sequence of Rigid Motions. Sequence means you have more than one transformation. So you have a translation, a reflection, a rotation, a combination of two or more of those things occurring. Rigid motion is one of these transformations. Okay, rigid motion means you are going to have the same object that you had in the beginning, except it's going to be moved to a different location on your paper. It didn't change size, it didn't change shape, it didn't really change what it looks like. It might be turned upside down or something, but it is the same object. It's just moved around somehow. Now, when you are telling me that you see a translation happening, a slide happening, you need to tell me either the vector where the slide took place. So you show me which direction, an arrow, a line, or if it's on a piece of grid paper, then you can show me or tell me the number of units that it was translated left or right, or the number of units it was translated up or down, or if there's a combination of those things, you need to tell that. So that's what you have to tell if there's a translation. Okay, along what vector, or left or right, up or down, how much. If there's a reflection is a flip, or you're seeing the mirror image, and for a reflection you need to tell the line of reflection. Okay, so you would draw or locate or put a mark on and indicate that this is the line of reflection for the reflected part of this problem. Finally, if you're identifying a rotation, which is the one where we turn it or spin it, you have to say if we have a positive or negative rotation, meaning counterclockwise or clockwise. You have to tell how many degrees, or how many degrees approximately. How many degrees did they spin it? And you have to tell the point of rotation. What point did they spin around? So when you're identifying these sequences in this lesson, you're telling at least two things, sometimes three things that happen. Make sure you're telling the details that are needed for that. You can't just say there was a translation and don't tell anything else about it. You have to tell this information for each one of these.